Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Well, today I am going to be unboxing this coffee maker. It's Hamilton Beach coffee maker. It's it's flex brew. Alright, and it's single serve coffee maker. Alright, so before I go, remember to like my video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment and what you think about all my videos. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this. I've had it a long time and I said, why not just do a video of it? Yeah, so let's go. So we Jamaican, well, not just Jamaican, but we people don't like to read instruction how to operate our appliances. We just go right into it. So let's see how this works. Right? Booklet is there. This is the box. Boxing. So let's take it. If you love coffee, I'm not so sure I'm a lover of coffee, but you know they have the little thing, the chocolate. I love chocolate milk, so they have it now that you can use into the Keurig machine. So that is my specialty. Alright, so may I try operate it without the manual. That is bad. So this is a pavilion. This is where you pour the water. This is where you put the cup. Cup to catch the coffee from the maker. And I think this is where, yay! This is where you put the little cup of coffee. See it like this on here. This is where you put it right here. Cover it down. And then it's just go ahead and brew. Alright, let me see. Let me read this song. The English part of this manual. It's a single cup. Yes, that's important. Important. You must always read your appliances manual. Important safeguards. Save these instructions. They tell you how to keep and care your appliances and how to operate it. Alright, it give you the parts. This page gives you the parts and features. See it? So number 1 is the lid, which is here. Number 2, removal single serve pack holder with handle. That's it. Brown removal blue basket for ground coffee with hinge lid and handle, which is number 3 right here. Number 4, removable cup rest with dry drip tray. That's number 4 right here. It's removable. Number 5, you have the lid, which is this. 6, removal needle holder with black seal right here. 7, water reservoir with lid. As I said before, it's behind this, right behind that. Number 8, water window. So if you don't know, you look on the diagram on the book. So the water window is right here. Tell it minimum to maximum water to pour in there. Yes. And 9, funnel. The funnel is here. And 10, control panel. This is control panel. It's right here. So if you have one like this, so you have regular, you have bold. So you know what the regular and the bold is. Bowl button is 11. I said before, 12 heat or icon. So eating in between you're going to see the icon right here in between these two. 13 regular button, right, and 14 travel cup rest, right. So the cup is gonna rest here. All right, blue basket inside. Okay, I guess you have to remove this guy. You have to remove this strip before you start to use it. This strip holds it in place for traveling purposes. All right. So it says before first use, wash all removable parts in hot soapy water, rinse and dry, brew 1 cycle with water and discard water. I was planning on doing that. Yeah, so normally when I get like these appliances or like cups and those things that you drink from, I normally like boil the water in there, soapy water, leave it in there for a while, or boil water when I finish washing it, boil water, put it in there and just give it a second wash. Alright, and it show you how to brew, the book show you how to brew the coffee. So if you're a coffee lover, you love this. Alright, see, all the instructions are in the manual. Just follow the instruction, guys. As I said before, I know we don't like to follow instructions, we just go ahead and start use, right? And it have the care and cleaning, how you are to care and clean for your coffee machine. It's right there in the booklet. Everything is in there, troubleshooting, the warranty, everything. So and it's in Spanish also. So for all my Spanish viewers, it's in your language. You can also read it and follow the instructions. So if you're interested in buying one of this, the Hamilton Bleach brand, this is it. Hamilton Bleach Fetch Blue. Alright, one of these days when I'm making my cocoa, I'm going to show you so the cocoa can go there too. I will make a video and show you, or I'll go live. Okay, oh, I should have gone live with this video, but that's it. Oh, I set up our coffee machine. Alright. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Remember, you have to move these things. Alright, wipe it down as the thing says. See? And it's easy. So you're gonna buy these small coffee thing in the supermarket. They have it in Dunkin' Donuts. They have it in the hot chocolate mix. They have different types. You buy it. Sometimes 12, 24 come in the pack. The morning time you just pick out one, put in water in, cup there, and you get your coffee. Alright. So that's it for my unboxing of my coffee maker. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So if you have one like this, just leave me a comment, tell me if you like it or if it's easy. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.